Look what just came in the mail. Sephora. Let's see what's inside. The Summer Fridays jet lag mask. Looks like this. I just received my Sephora online order and I ordered the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. I'm super excited to try this out because I've been seeing it everywhere on social media and all the reviews are really great. I usually stick with Korean skincare products, but I'm really curious to see how this will work on Asian skin. So I'm gonna try it out the 3 different ways and then give a review afterwards. So this is what the product looks like. It comes in this blue tube that's designed like a paint tube that's super cute. It costs $48, it's cruelty-free, free of parabens and fragrances. The first way you can use this product is as a regular face mask. I put about 2 dime-size amounts of product onto my skin and it put a thin layer on top, and then I waited about 15 minutes. I instantly felt a cooling sensation and felt it really working into my skin. And it says that you don't have to rinse it off, but what I did is that I used a warm cloth and just wiped it away. And after I wiped it off, my skin felt smoother and tighter. The second way I tried it was as an overnight mask. This product is buildable, so you can add more product to your liking. I watched Marianna Hewitt's video on her channel of the different ways that you can use this product. And the other co-owner, I believe her name is Lauren, she used it as an overnight mask and she put a lot of product on where it kind of made a white cast all over her face with the product. But I feel like you have to use a lot of the product if you want a really thick layer on your face. So I didn't put too thick of a layer on because I didn't want to use too much of the product, but I definitely used more than what I did for the 15-minute mask. I usually sleep with a thick layer of moisturizer on because I like it to really work into my skin while I sleep, so I really love how versatile this product is. The third way I use this product is underneath my makeup. I usually use a Korean skincare moisturizer right before I put on my foundation, but this product has a nice sheen to it, so it kind of gave my skin a nice dewy and glowy effect. This mask is $48 and kind of on the pricier side, and because of the versatility and the different ways that you can use it, I feel like it'll run out fast, especially if you use it underneath your makeup on a daily. Overall, I do like this product. My skin is pretty dry and sensitive and it didn't make me break out at all. There isn't any fragrances or dyes in this product, but it definitely has a cream smell to it, and I'm still trying to figure out if I like it or not. But right now at the moment, it's not bothering me too much. I think I'm going to add this product into my skincare routine underneath my makeup and as a mask once a week. I've been in the market for a good moisturizer, so I'm thinking that this product will be good for me. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried this product. I'd love to know how well it works for your skin and what are your thoughts on it. This product is only sold at Sephora online and at summerfridays.com, and it's selling out really fast, so if you want to try this product out, definitely try to get your hands on it sooner than later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.